guys, it's Carlo from Northridge AutoWorks. Today we got a McLaren in here today for service, oil, service, and some other general inspections. It's a 2016 650S. We're going to do a little ride-along video. It won't be like a DIY, but we'll just kind of go over some of the things we're doing with our technician, Chris. We're somewhere around here. It's out of screen, but yeah. So I hope you enjoy the video, and like and follow and share if you like what you see. Thank you.